Are you looking to save big on premium digital assets? Whether you are a designer, developer, or content creator, Envato Elements has everything you need. Today, I am sharing the best coupon codes to help you unlock massive savings in 2025. So, first of all, you have to go to Envato Elements on your PC. So, just go to Envato Elements, then tap onto the first link. Envato Elements offer millions of creative resources like templates, stock photos, music, fonts, and more. And with the right coupon codes, you can save up to 72% on your subscription. So here's how. Get 72% off the individual plan when billed annually. That's just $18.25 per month, saving you up to $198 a year. There is also a student discount. If you are a student, you can get 30% off the student plan, making it only $11.15 per month. For themes, you can get a discount based on theme size. For example, with 5 members, each person pays out 10.75 per month. To grab these deals, visit Envato Elements using the special links in the description below. Choose your plan and discounts will be applied. Start saving today and unlock unlimited access to premium digital assets. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.